Got another special treat for you here today. This is a BIMOTA 500. Lover, and this doesn't give you a heart, you might be dead. Wow. You gotta hear this thing. That is a rare bird. What's the production stats on this? You know how many of these were made?
Evolution, maybe 30.
30? So how many are left today, I figure? 15? What year is it?
This was conceived in 2010 from spare parts.
It's absolutely a work of art.
BIMOTA went out of business.
I mean, my blood pressure, my heart started racing as soon as you started it. What's the engine in this thing?
It's a 500cc two-stroke V-twin that BIMOTA designed and Moto Marini built for BIMOTA. They went out of business, and after they went out of business, Piero Coroni bought all the spare parts and chassis, built this bike along with another one, sent it to the United States in pieces.
Yeah.
Was reassembled in North Carolina, titled in North Carolina, and I bought it from the importer in North Carolina.
Well, I'd like to say it was the nicest one I've ever seen, but I've never seen one before.
Yeah,
it is absolutely, it's super stunning. Carbon fiber wheels. What kind of forks and shocks are on here?
Paoli in the front, Olin's in the rear.
And its expansion chamber is beautiful.
Yeah, it's handmade.
Just the whole bike's handmade, pretty much, right?
Moto makes the exhaust. Olin makes the rear suspension. BST wheels.
This is the true depth. If there was a picture of unobtainium in Wikipedia, this should be it. What a cool piece. And he's got the RG 500. And what is this beauty over here?
The RC30.
Wow. Another beautiful piece.
So this one's got 40 original miles. This came from Gordon Raisy.
Really?
Raisy Cycles.
Wow. I love the paint. Is this the original paint on this thing?
It's only got 40 miles.
Oh, you're kidding me. This thing's got 40 miles on it? Guys, this thing has 40 miles on it. It's basically brand new.